Guys, today we will unboxing a product from Adler. This is a milk frother. The series is AD4494 and this is use 500 watts, easy to clean and froth up to 130 milliliter and heat up to 300 milliliters of anything, of milk, of anything, or coffee. And this is Euro standard, and yeah, you can see guidance in many languages according, I'm not sure this is in English, should be something in English here. Wait, nothing in English. Oh, this is in English, not really. Oh, in English, Spain. Yeah, okay. And yeah, this is produced two type of foam.